How to hard reset the INIU portable charger power bank. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily reset the INIU power bank that you have. So in order to do it, the first method of resetting your power bank is by simply tapping the power button. So you need to just locate the power button on the INIU power bank. If you are using this model, then the power button is this over here. So you just have to simply press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. You might see the lights flicker or blink indicating the reset process. After holding the button for the specified time, you just have to release it and the power bank should be reset. Now this method is most common, and in most of the cases it is going to fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then you can even try the second method, but you need to remember that it is a very less common method. For that you will need a cable. It can be a micro USB or the USB-C cable that can be connected to both the input and the output ports of your INIU power bank. Then you just have to plug the one end of the cable into the input port and the second one into the output port. Then you just have to hold this connection for 15 to 20 seconds and this might trigger a reset. So this is how you can easily hard reset your INIU portable charger. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.